Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing a get ready with me and a what I eat in a day type of video. Now I just graduated as a pharmacist last year, and one of the main struggles for me was knowing exactly what I need to pack for lunch because I don't normally get a break as a pharmacist, and it's very important that I pre-pack lunch and take it with me. So I wanted to share with you guys what exactly I do, how I pack, how I pre-pack, and what kind of meals I take with me into work. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please keep on watching and I'll show you exactly how I plan my meals. I like to start off my day with a smoothie. I love these crafted smoothie blends. They come pre-packaged and portioned, which makes it super easy and convenient in the morning. So I add one of the fruit bags into my blender, add some chia seeds, agave sweetener, and almond milk, and it tastes so good. While I drink my smoothie, I apply my makeup. I start with the Chanel CC cream, only in the areas around my nose and chin where I have redness. I then use a foundation brush to quickly blend it into my skin. I then apply a sheer amount of my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer and blend it in. For eyebrows, I like to keep it quick and easy, so I use Benefit's 3D Brows. Using Too Faced Chocolate Bronzer, I quickly contour, then I use a small eyeshadow fluffy brush to apply some of that bronzer to my crease. I add a little bit of blush, then I apply my Marc Jacobs eyeliner into my waterline and line my eyes quickly and smoke it out using a small flat eyeliner brush. This is a fast alternative to a winged eyeliner look when you don't have much time in the morning. These Crayola lipsticks by Clinique are really hydrating, quick to apply, and add a sheer pop of color to your lips. I normally skip the highlighter, but I've been loving the new e.l.f. highlighter in collaboration with Heart. Shout out to Heart, love her channel. Good morning guys, just a little bit on what I'm wearing today. So I'm wearing these pants. They're from Elaine Rose. This shirt is from Tommy Hilfiger, and this cute shirt. Getting ready to go to work. I do get hungry a few hours later once I get to work, since the smoothie doesn't really fill me up, so I usually either eat a granola bar or grab some oatmeal from Starbucks. I eat my lunch around 1 p.m. or whenever I can, since peak time is normally around midday when patients tend to come in to pick up their prescriptions. I like to pack my lunch in this convenient prep pack lunchbox. I will add a link to the lunchbox below if you guys are interested in purchasing it. It keeps my portions controlled, and it's also very slim and easy to carry. Here I'm packing some quinoa with some chicken and stir-fried veggies with a teriyaki sauce. I also like to pack some healthy snacks. I always change it up, but lately I'm loving these almond cashew pops. Crave some chocolate while at work, so instead of going for a chocolate bar, I like to look for healthier alternatives like these dark chocolate covered blueberries. I do change up my lunches. Sometimes I take a Caesar salad with some leftover chicken and a portioned amount of Caesar dressing. Eating out doesn't always mean that you end up stocking up extra calories. I occasionally go out for dinner after work, so I want to share some meals that I order when I eat out. I do allow myself to have some fried foods occasionally. You only live once, right? Everything in moderation is okay, and Cheddar's onion rings are pretty awesome. I portion proteins with carbs and veggies, like this meal with a grilled chicken and shrimp, some steamed rice, and broccoli. It's so good. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Please make sure you support my channel by subscribing. I'll see you next time.